Hey everyone, and welcome back to Elder Health Tips. It's great to see you all here. Today we're tackling a massive concern for many of us over 70. Muscle loss? You know, that feeling of getting a bit weaker, finding it harder to lift the groceries or play with the grandkids. It's a real thing, and it's called sarcopenia. But here's the exciting news. You have so much power to fight it. We often hear about the usual suspects for protein, meat, fish, and of course, eggs. The classic breakfast of champions, right? Eggs are good, don't get me wrong. They're packed with about 6 grams of protein and plenty of vitamins. For decades, they've been the go-to recommendation. But what if I told you that as we get older, our bodies change and our protein needs might evolve too? What if there was something even better? Something that your body could use more efficiently to build and maintain that precious muscle mass. Today, we're diving deep into a groundbreaking piece of research that's changing the game for senior nutrition. We're going to talk about a humble little seed that is proving to be a powerhouse for muscle synthesis, especially for those of us in our golden years. This isn't just another health fad. This is backed by science. We're going to compare it directly to eggs and show you why this tiny seed might just be the secret weapon you've been looking for. So why the big deal about muscle after 70? It's not about becoming a bodybuilder. It's about maintaining your independence, your mobility, and your quality of life. Strong muscles support your bones, improve your balance to prevent falls, boost your metabolism, and even help manage blood sugar levels. When we lose muscle, we don't just lose strength. We lose a key component of our overall health and vitality. It's what keeps us active, engaged, and living life to the fullest. The problem is, as we age, our bodies become less efficient at a process called muscle protein synthesis. Think of it like a construction crew. When you're young, the crew is large, fast, and super efficient at using building materials, protein to repair and build muscle. After 70, that crew gets a bit smaller and slower. You need to give them not just enough building materials, but the absolute best, easiest to use materials to get the job done. That's where the type of protein you eat becomes critically important. So, let's talk about our star player today. It's something you might have seen in the health food aisle but maybe didn't pay much attention to. I'm talking about pumpkin seeds. Yes, those little green seeds. You might be thinking, pumpkin seeds? Really? Better than eggs? Stick with me, because the science is fascinating. A recent study looked at how the bodies of older adults responded to different protein sources after a workout. They compared the muscle-building response from eating whole eggs versus an equivalent amount of protein from pumpkin seeds. The results were astounding. The group consuming pumpkin seed protein showed a significantly faster and more robust rate of muscle protein synthesis. Why is this? It comes down to a few key factors. First is digestibility and absorption. Pumpkin seed protein is plant-based and for many older adults can be easier on the digestive system. As we age, our production of stomach acid can decrease, making it tougher to break down animal proteins like those in eggs. Plant proteins, especially from a source like pumpkin seeds, are often absorbed more quickly, delivering those essential amino acids to your muscles right when they need them. The second, and perhaps most important factor, is the amino acid profile. Proteins are made of amino acids, the building blocks of muscle. One amino acid, in particular, acts like the foreman of our muscle-building construction crew. It's called leucine. Leucine is the primary trigger for muscle protein synthesis. It signals the body to start the repair and building process. And guess what? Pumpkin seeds are incredibly rich in leucine, even more so, gram for gram, than eggs. So when you consume pumpkin seed protein, you're not just getting protein. You're getting a high dose of the specific trigger that tells your muscles, hey, it's time to grow. This is especially crucial after 70, when our muscles are more resistant to these growth signals. You need a stronger signal, and the high leucine content in pumpkin seeds provides exactly that. Think of it as giving your construction foreman a megaphone to make sure everyone on the crew hears the instructions loud and clear. Now, I want to be clear. I'm not saying you should throw out all your eggs. They are still a nutritious food. But for the specific goal of maximizing muscle maintenance and growth after 70, the evidence suggests that incorporating pumpkin seed protein could give you a significant edge. It's about optimizing your nutrition to work with your body, not against it. So, how can you easily get more of this super seed into your diet? It's simpler than you think. You don't have to wait for Halloween to enjoy them. You can buy shelled, raw pumpkin seeds, often called pepitas, at any grocery store. Sprinkle a handful, about 1/4 of a cup, on your morning oatmeal or yogurt. Toss them into a salad for a nice crunch and a protein boost. You can even blend them into a smoothie. If you're not a fan of the texture, you can buy pumpkin seed protein powder. It's a convenient way to add a powerful protein punch to shakes, soups, or even baked goods. A single scoop can provide 15 to 20 grams of high-quality, easily digestible protein. Let's imagine a daily routine. You do some light exercise, maybe a walk, some chair yoga, or lifting light weights. Afterwards, instead of your usual snack, you have a smoothie made with a scoop of pumpkin seed protein powder, a banana, and some spinach. You've just given your body the perfect, fast-acting fuel to repair those muscles and make them stronger. It has a simple switch that could make a world of difference in your strength and energy levels over time. Remember, this isn't about one magic bullet. A healthy lifestyle for seniors is a combination of things: regular, gentle exercise, good sleep, staying hydrated, and a balanced diet. Fine-tuning your protein source is a powerful and often overlooked strategy. By choosing a protein that your body can use more efficiently, like pumpkin seed protein, you're giving yourself the best possible chance to stay strong, active, and independent for years to come. It's empowering to know that small, simple changes can have such a big impact. It's not about drastic diets or impossible workout routines. It's about smart, science-backed choices. Switching up your protein source is one of the smartest choices you can make for your muscle health. Give it a try. Start by adding a small amount to your diet and see how you feel. You might just be surprised by the boost in your energy and strength. Thank you so much for joining me today on Elder Health Tips. I hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to our health. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on how to live your healthiest, most vibrant life in your golden years, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss our next video. We have so much more to share with you. Stay strong, stay active, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.